Hey YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm not too sure what I want to do. All I know, it involves my hair a little up and a little down with some braids. Like, I'm not too sure what I should do. We're just gonna wing it today and see what we come up with. So if you'd like to see what I come up with, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, let's get to the video. Okay, I'm starting off on freshly conditioned hair and as well as stretched hair. Literally just the tension method. Just make sure you have some tension on your hair. Blow it with the blow dryer just a little bit, like a few inches off of the hair, and it should dry. It wasn't too bad for me. Like, it took me maybe about 45 minutes to dry my entire hair. So the reason why we're starting off on stretched hair is because it's a lot easier for me to manipulate. For this style, we're going to be using some Marley Braids that I just picked up from my local beauty supply store. It's in a 1. I wanted a 1B to like really match my hair, but they only had 1, so it's whatever. This is from Magic Gold and it's pretty long. Also, you're going to need some head ties. I think I'm going to use these because it works a lot faster for me, because to get this around and then my hair tangles up in it. Really truly, whatever it is that you desire, it's fine. Just use whatever it is that you normally use. All you want to do is to be able to gather up the hair. That's it. I'm not going to be talking anymore. This is going to be a voiceover from now on because, guys, I need to hurry and get dressed, put on some makeup. Like, I'm so... Alright y'all, so we're going to start off by putting some extra virgin olive oil on our hair just to make sure our hair is not too dry. I like to massage it in my hair once I put it on my hands, all over my hair, just to make sure everything's just nice and moisturized. Because I'm doing this Mohawk style, I'm just going to section my hair off into 3 sections. Right now I'm just preparing to do the first section. I'm going to take a rat tail comb and carve out the section as neat as possible. Granted, I can't see behind of my hair, so I'm trying my best to do it as neat as possible and as straight as possible. This is how it should technically look. Yes, I know it's not neat, it's not the straightest, but it will get the job done. So here's where I'm just putting my hair up in 1, making sure that it's not too tight. I hate when my hair is too tight. I can't stand it. So I'm just making sure I'm bending over just to make sure I can bend with this. Here's where I'm going to be using the bubbles. We call it bubbles in the islands. I'm not sure what you guys call it. And just wrapping it around my hair. Again, I use this because it works a lot better for me. I don't have any hair tangling and it's quicker. And that's what it looks like. Don't worry, the bubble will be covered. You won't be seeing any green. So now I'm just gonna twist my hair into 2 just to make sure that nothing is in the way when I do the other sections. And yes, I am tucking it away and putting a scrunchie on top of it so that, again, it's not in the way. Here I'm just gonna be doing the same process with the second section. I'm just gonna speed this up so we can get this done and over with. I should have used some sort of jam or gel to kind of clean up the edges of the sections, but you can do that if you need to. I needed to do my hair a different way, and usually when I use so much gel, it's a big issue and I have to wash my hair all over again. Now we're at the top finally. I'm going to be using some Eco Styling gel to rub all around the edges of my hair just so that it is sleek and nice when I put it up in 1. And make sure I cover all my edges. I like to use my hands just to make sure the edges are even more sleek, because it's less tension if I have to use a brush or a comb, if people really use combs for the edges. But yeah, now I'm going to be adding the bubbles to this. And again, as you can see here, my hair is not tight at all. I hate when my hair is tight, and I don't worry about it not being too tight, because when I put the edge control on there, then it looks sleek in my opinion. Here's me just trying to tie it away. the hell? Okay, so I'm going to be using the Arcani edge control. Guys, I love this edge control. Love it to bits. I'm going to just carve out all the little baby hairs. Again, I'm not a baby hair connoisseur. I'm not about the waves and the streams going down. I just try my best to make my hair as sleek as possible with a nice little, twizzle at the beginning, but nothing too crazy. I'm going to be using 1 pack of the braids, the Marley braids, and unraveling the first section, and then just basically putting the braids or attaching the braids with that same rubber band around the first section. Then I'm going to just separate the braids into 2, just like my own hair, and then I'm going to twist it after, including my hair. Yeah, it's coming, guys. Should have sped this part up. The reason why I'm using Marley braids is because my hair is fluffy, but I would like it to be fluffier. I wanted a more dramatic effect. Then I'm just going to do the same thing and twist it around the bubble. Twist it around the bubble and make sure I'm securing it with some hairpins. That's coming up soon. But yeah, just make sure the shape is nice. Tuck the ends in, make sure it's not showing, and then just secure everything with some bobby pins. I secure the left side, the right side, and underneath. I don't think I did the top. Yeah, I gotta make sure these things are secure because I'm not trying to be embarrassed. So I've already gone ahead and did the second section, so we're on to the first section. By then, I was over it, guys. I was so tired, my arms was done with. Don't ever do arms when you're about to do your hair. So again, repeating the same thing. However, we're going to be sectioning this off into 3 sections to twist away. And this is me doing the first, then I'm going to do the second, and then the third, and then I'll tell you guys what's up when we get done with it. Alright, once I'm done, I'm going to take one section and wrap it around in one direction, and I'm going to just tuck in the ends. I don't put any bobby pins yet because you want to shape your hair after, and then wrap the second one in the opposite direction, and again tuck that one away, and then the third one in whatever direction that floats your boat. I just went the same direction as the second one. And while you're doing this, you're looking at your hair, making sure that it is shaped exactly how you want it. Nothing is out of place. And then we're going to secure it once you're happy with the shape with some bobby pins. And yeah, guys, that's it. Alright, y'all, this is the final look. I think it came out really, really nicely. Like, it came out really good. Oh my goodness. It looks amazing. Alright, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. It's Loaferette at Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next part. Enjoy the bloopers. Ooh, let me show you guys up close. I'm sorry guys for the background. It's Brad. Just bear with me. Oh my god.
Alex, I think he gave you one of our lives.